Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how to turn off your shorts on YouTube. So go to your YouTube and then go to your profile, then go to settings. From here tap general, then here you can see playback in feeds, then turn it off. Now go back to your YouTube channel and then from there tap shorts. You have to report your shorts. So first search for shorts and then okay, so let's go to shorts so that we can remove it from our channel. So this, tap on this and then tap report. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.